ready on camera, and while I do that, let's just talk like heart to heart. No filters, just me, you, and some thoughts. Do you ever feel like no matter how much you do, it's just never enough? Like everyone else is ahead, doing big things and glowing up, and you are just existing. I have been feeling like that a lot lately. Even though I'm creating, learning, hustling, there's this voice inside me just saying that you should be doing more. Social media make it worse sometimes. You scroll and see someone else's success, their perfect skin, perfect life, and suddenly you just start comparing. But you know what I realized? Everyone is showing their highlight reels. No one shows the anxieties, the breakdowns, the long nights. No one talks about it. We all go through things we don't post. So I'm trying to be kinder to myself. Some days I create, some days I rest, some days I feel confident, and some days I feel like hiding. And that's okay. We are not falling behind. We are just our own timeline. I don't have it all figured out, but I'm learning. And if you are watching this and feeling the same way, I just want you to know that you are doing better than you think. You are trying, and that's enough. Trust me. If this video made you feel seen or understood, leave a comment. Let's talk in the comments. No judgments, no realness. And if you like this look, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more real moments like this. And thank you so much for spending this time with me. Love you all. Bye.